Alright, welcome to Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. I just got done putting these lights in. I wanted to show you these reverse lights, how bright they are. Just crazy. Crazy bright. I've always had them on there, but let's see, we gotta shut this off here. Okay. Now let's show the other lights. I think they look okay. Huh. Hmm. Let's turn the four ways on. Let's try them once.
Since President Trump's inauguration, and there's been a spike in vandalism against Tesla vehicles and dealerships.
Huh.
Adam Yamaguchi has the latest from Los Angeles.
What's this about?
Slashing the federal workforce. Elon Musk's jump into politics is now drawing backlash. Tesla takedown protests across the country. Tesla owners have become targets too. Right here. Like Dr. Kume Jarus, who found a profane sticker on his Cybertruck. Three guys came out of the car and just pointed the metal thing and started screaming at him. CBS News has identified at least 7 cases of vandalism involving Tesla dealerships, charging stations, and vehicles, graffitied with swastikas and Nazi references. Now, some Tesla owners, like Sheryl Crow, are waving goodbye to their cars, while others are considering trading in. So, you're gonna miss the car? It's a great car. I will miss the car. I will miss the car. But your principles are, I think for now, principles have to take priority. Bobby Chokrian has owned his Tesla since 2014. Yeah, I was a big believer. I felt like this is somebody who cares. And a company that's doing, cool things. And just within an election cycle, it all kind of turned on its head. Technology research analyst Dan Ives. Musk has been here before. If Musk continues to dive into the deep end of the pool with Doge and Trump and doesn't start really showing more and more focus with Tesla, this brand issue could become more pervasive. Consumer surveys since 2019 show while Democrats are down on Tesla because of Musk, Republicans now favor buying one more than ever. But you say that you might come back to a Tesla at some point. It's not impossible. Adam Yamaguchi, CBS News, Los Angeles. One of the best
Huh. Well, that's crazy, ain't it? Anyway, just buy American. That's all I gotta do. Tesla ain't American. But buy a Dodge, an old Dodge or something, or an old Plymouth, or an old Chevy or Ford or something. Fix that up and drive that. Anyway, that's what it looks like with the 4 barrels going. I like that. The skull breaks up. Oh well. Anyway, let's shut this off. Let's shut everything off here. Okay. Okay, now we'll look at them during. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, that's how it looks, I guess. Well, please like and subscribe. Sorry about the TV there for a moment. I apologize for that. That just was on TV, so I had to check it out. See what it was about. I heard about a car dealership. I'm into cars, so I don't know what that was all about. But anyway, yeah. They look a little different on there, I guess. Oh well. Please like and subscribe, guys. Take care. Be good to one another. Bye-bye.